We've made our business successful by really focusing on impeccable service. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share an incredible review with you right now. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.